Hello, welcome back to Italian Food Boss. Hi guys, we are still in quarantine and today it's a bit of a rainy day. I can't even go out for a run. So what do we cook today? Pasta with potato cream and pancetta, which is one of my favorite things to have for lunch. I'm gonna cook this just for two people and we are gonna need two potatoes, 200-300 grams of pancetta, 200-250 grams of pasta, and we are going to boil the potatoes in this pan. Then we are going to mash them, and then we are going to mix them with the pasta, pancetta, make a creamy, fantastic thing. Of course, on top a bit of pecorino, which we always like to use with generosity. Okay guys, pasta with creamy potatoes and pancetta. Let's go. First thing we do, we take two potatoes, we cut them in square and we put them into the boiling water. Potatoes are boiled, we put them in the blender. We add a bit of the cooking water, make it a bit more creamy. Then we go here, we add a bit of pecorino cheese, some salt, some pepper. And we mash. Right, our cream is ready. I left the skin on the potatoes because I like it, but if you prefer a smoother feeling, you can just skin them before doing this thing. Now we go and prepare our pancetta. One thing I forgot to mention earlier is I also want to have one onion to mix and cook with the pancetta. So the first thing I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna chop the onion and then I'm gonna chop the pancetta in small cubes. I cut the onion and therefore I'm frying in a pan. Put some oil, olive oil. Let's wait that the pan gets hot. And then a very low heat, we make the onion sweat a bit, and then while the onion is waiting, it's gonna take a few minutes, we start working on the pancetta. The quantity of onion really depends on your taste, because as you might have guessed, I like onion. I use a whole one, but you can also use less if you don't really like the taste. And now the pancetta. This is 250 grams of pancetta. Beautiful. I probably want to get rid of the skin outside, but make sure that you keep the fat, because that's what it's gonna give fantastic taste to this dish. And then we cut it in stripes like this. They have to be quite thin. We cut the block of pancetta in these cubes, so that was a bit of work, I admit, but you know guys, we have to earn our food. So now we are going to mix it up with the onion, and we can now increase a bit the heat, not too much, but I would say medium, low medium. And while this is going, we also start the water, boiling water for the pasta. We keep going with the pancetta for a few minutes, perhaps about 10 minutes. We have the water boiling. I don't suggest you add any salt because this is gonna be quite salty. So we are ready to pour the pasta. 9 minutes to keep it very al dente, and then we are gonna put this pasta in here, and then finally we're gonna add the potato cream. È una bomba. Pasta is cooked very al dente. So what we do now, from here into here, and it doesn't matter if a bit of water goes in there, we're gonna need it. That's it. Then we are gonna mix a bit, and now we are gonna incorporate our creamy potatoes or potato cream, whichever you like. We start. This is a bit, wow, look at this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a bit of water in here. And then we're gonna do this. Guys, this is when everything is coming together. The most important moment. Guarda, look at that creamy potatoes, mixing it with the pancetta and the pasta. Take off the heat, and we are ready. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look. Can't wait to try. The onions is gonna give also a bit of a sweet hint to this whole thing. I need to test. Fantastic. If you wanna add some pepper or some pecorino on top, of course, feel free. Who am I to say no to this? And that's how it's done in Italia. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's completely free. I can't believe people are asking me if there is a charge. It's free, guys. It's free. Subscribe, and as usual, try to replicate this recipe. Send me your pictures, and enjoy. Stay safe. Aurora, questa pasta è buonissima. Questa pasta con potato cream e pancetta è buona? Saluta.